Life moves quickly in the heart of the city, but you deserve a moment of pure radiance. Discover Bubbly Essentials, the glow your skin has been waiting for. Experience the essence of true radiance with Bubbly Essentials, your daily ritual for timeless, glowing skin that feels luxurious.
To achieve something like this, open your ChatGPT, then go to plugins. From plugins, choose that arrow and select GPTs. Now wait for it to load. Once it loads, on the search bar types UGC commercials. Good. Also wait for that to load and look through the options, then choose the one you want. I'm going with the third option. Now you wait for that to load too, then click to start. Then when it opens, type start again. Good. At this point, it gives you a list of options that matches. Then look through and choose the one that matches whatever you want to do at the moment. Now once you select, I select number 2. Good. Now it gives you opportunity to answer those questions 1 to 6 like the way I did now. Finally, it gives you an image prompt that will give you a storyboard, then a prompt to animate that storyboard. Now copy this prompt, take it to your notepad. Please read through and make adjustment. Add some necessary things to personalize it, your kind of products, those kind of things. Just add those details to it to make it fit yours. If you are doing a skincare product, then you have to put it. If anything you want to do, please read through your prompt and make the necessary adjustment. Now copy this prompt. This is completely free. I'm using completely free tools to make this. You are going to head over to your ChatGPT and paste that prompt, the image generation prompt. Now it creates a storyboard for you. Now save it to your gallery. Go back and copy the video generation prompt. Good. When you have copied it, take it to your YouTube. Good. You choose photo to video, upload that video, then paste the video prompt. Wait for it to generate. Well, and your video is ready. Now you see, with free tools you're able to generate commercials for your video and make it, who knew that, who thought that this could be as easy as this? Go try it out, create adverts for your product, and make sure to drop your feedback for me so that I can know how far you've gone. Thank you and bye.